Ew.
See?
Lovely. Ew.
What?
Its feathers are coming off into the stick.
Ew!
Dude! Just dump it in the thing! How?
I don't know, but it's not moving. Did he put it in there? Yeah. Oh, that's gross. I know. Try to pick it up and... No?
Ew.
Oh, Dana, you're gonna be good.
Dude, we could be like Hannibal, you know how we... Gross. Can I have a better stick?
Yeah. Throw that stick in the fire. I don't want it.
Okay.
Okay, when you're done with them, just put them on the bench here, okay? With the matches? Yeah, okay. Okay. And then close the door. Oh, I'm not looking. You guys can do that. Yeah, your mom said there was no rush. Okay. I'm sure she's going to enjoy listening to why you didn't get back here early. Cremation of a bird.
No, we don't tell her.
Yeah, don't tell her.
Thank you.
Oh. Ghost in the dark facility twice, she said.
Okay. So we gotta take this lid off so we can see what we're burning. Okay. Does it come off? Oh, it's just black. Here. Hold these. Wow, this match smells. Let's try this side. Wow, that sucks. You know what? Shut up, Dana. Are you sure that hairspray's flammable? I don't know. It says flammable on it. Cremation of a bird. Oh, it smells! God bless this bird that you that you were about to receive. Wow, we need kindling. Wow, that looks really sick. It smells really sick. Do you have gasoline? I don't know. Oh, the smell. I almost exploded my hand! Well, that was fun. Here, Dane, let me do your hair. Are you kidding me? It's working. No, it isn't. Yeah, it is. See, told you. Wow. Did I just kill it? I think you did. No, I guess we can't use that word for any thoughts. Wow. How does it... Dana, how does it work?